Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn pair of linear equations on two variables of 10th standard. Exercise 3.1, problem number 1. Aftab tell his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Here in the problem, Aftab, a person who is talking to his daughter, saying that 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Before 7 years, he was 7 times as his daughter. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. In the same way, he says 3 years after, his age will be 3 times as old as his daughter. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. We have to present this situation in two types, algebraically and graphically. Let's start the answer from algebraic representation. Algebraic representation. Here there are two persons, Aftab and his daughter. Let's start the answer by assuming let the present age of Aftab be x and the present age of his daughter be y. So the present age of Aftab be x and his daughter be y. In the problem it is given 7 years ago. I will write that 7 years ago. 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. First, 7 years ago Aftab age will be age of Aftab. Now the present age is x. 7 years ago it should be x minus 7. In the same way, age of daughter, age of his daughter equals age of daughter is y. 7 years ago means y minus 7. Now as per problem it is given that 7 years ago I means Aftab was 7 times as old as you means his daughter were then. As per problem, I means Aftab was 7 times as 7 years ago. 7 years ago Aftab age is x minus 7. It means I will write Aftab age 7 years ago, that is x minus 7. As old 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. His daughter age is y minus 7, 7 times. So I will write 7 of y minus 7. It means Aftab age is 7 times of his daughter's age 7 years ago. This is the statement, this is the meaning of this equation. Now I will write like this: x minus 7 equals 7 into y, 7y, 7 sevens 49. Next, x, bring 7y, x minus 7 equals 7y minus 49. Bring 7y here, it becomes minus 7y equals minus 49. As it is, bring it is 7 here plus 7. Then x minus 7y equals minus 49 plus 7. Unlike signs, you can going to subtract minus 42. Take it as equation 1. Here we got the equation 1 as per 7 years ago. Similarly, in the same way, we can do the sentence continued also 3 years from now. It means after 3 years. So after 3 years. After 3 years, age of Aftab will be, if before 7 years it is x minus 7, after 3 years it should be x plus 3. Aftab's age equals x plus 3. Daughter's age, is what is given also 3 years from now. Daughter's age is y, it is y plus 3. After 3 years, Aftab age is x plus 3, daughter's age is y plus 3. Now as per problem again, as per problem, 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So Aftab age is x plus 3 is 3 times. So 3 of y plus 3. Here 7 times, so I put 7 here. It is 3 times, so I just write 3 times. Now simplify this. X plus 3, 3 into y, 3y plus 3, 3 is 9. X bring here minus 3y, 9 minus 3, x plus 3y, 9 minus 3, it is 6. Take it as equation 2. Here in the problem it is asked to represent, so just I represent the equation 1 and equation 2 the given problem. It is not asked to find out the age of Aftab and daughter. So this just ends the answer for algebraically. Let's check how to represent it graphically now. Let's do the graphical representation. In the algebraic representation, we got equation 1 as x minus 7y equals minus 42. Let's do the equation by taking the table first like this. X, y. So start, give the value 0 to x. Now start the answer. If x equals 0, x minus 7y equals minus 42, 0 minus 7y, x means 0 equals minus 42. Now don't take the 0 for the next line, just take minus 7y equals minus 42. Now cancel minus minus here, what remains? 7y equals 42, y equals 42 by 6, 6 ones 6 sevens, so y equals 7. So I just write 7 in the place of y. Next, put 0 to y. If y equals 0, x minus 7y equals minus 42. X minus 7, put 0 in the place of y, equals minus 42. X minus 7 zeros 0 equals minus 42. Don't take the 0 now, just x equals minus 42. When y equals 0, x value is minus 42. So this is the equation, this is the answer for equation number 1. Now let's take the equation 2 what we got in algebraic representation. X minus 3y equals 6. Again take the box. X, y. Now put 0 to x. If x equals 0, x minus 3y equals 6, 0 minus 3y equals 6. Now minus 3y equals 6, y equals 6 by minus 3, 3 ones 3 twos, that is y equals minus 2. Now if y equals 0, put 0 to y. X minus 3y equals 6. X minus 3 of 0 equals 6. X minus 3 zeros 0 equals 6. Ignore 0, so x equals 6. So when y equals 0, x equals 6. So we got the answer in the graphical representation. Now let's show this in graph. Yes, I tried to show the graphical representation in the white page itself. You can try it in the graph sheet. So this is the first equation table and this is the second equation table. In x, the highest value is 0. Here is minus 42 is the highest value in the x, and here it is 6. So x, it is x axis, it is x dash. So minus 42, it means you have to take the value on the left side, that is negative side. We can take some scale like this, take x, and in the y also the highest value is 6, 0 and minus 2 is 0. Let's take 5 units as 1 centimeters. Scale 1 centimeters equals 5 units. I will write 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So here minus 5, minus 10, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30, minus 35, minus 40 and minus 45. Here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and here we will take minus figures. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, and here minus 25. Now let's draw the line. by looking at the equation. Here, if x equals 0, y equals 6, x equals 0 on the x-axis, y equals 6, it is plus 6, so up to here I will take approximately here 6. Then x minus 42, so x-axis minus 42, it comes here 40, 42. You can exactly count the numbers in graph sheet 1 to the small boxes, and after that 42, 0. So stop here itself. Now I can join this line and this line now. That dot and that dot. So this point is 0, 6, and this point is minus 42, 0, and that equation is x minus 7y equals minus 42. So this is the line for the first equation. Now let's do the second one. If x equals 0, y equals minus 2, so minus 2, it is minus y, minus 2 comes somewhere here, minus 2. Now x equals 6, 5 after 6 here, we can get 6 here, 6. You can get the exact boxes at the in the graph sheets. So x equals 6. Now join this and this. Yes. So this is 0 minus 2. This point is 0 minus 2, this point, and this point is 6, 0, 6 comma 0, and the equation is x minus 3y equals 6. So this is the graphical representation for the question. Here we did both algebraic representation and the graphical representation. This is the answer for the question. Hope you like the video. I will meet you with the next problem in the next video. Until then, bye. Thank you.